Welcome to French Class 101, second part about the buildings. In a few moments, various buildings will appear on your screen. You will also see and hear the name of those buildings in French. Are you ready? Boulangerie. Boulangerie. Bibliothèque. Bibliothèque. Centre commercial. Centre commercial. Cinéma. Cinéma. Supermarché. Supermarché. Épicerie. Épicerie. Salon de coiffure. Salon de coiffure. Musée. Musée. Gare. Gare. Now it's your turn to try. These same buildings will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you'd like to learn more about French or learn about other languages, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.